Alright, so this is just going to be a quick video on replacing your downspout for different people call them different things. A rain chain I saw, just a chain downspout, I don't know, doesn't really matter. But it's going to be to replace this here. So what I bought was, what is this, 135. I just got a spool, 75 feet of this chain here. I made sure I got stainless though, just so it doesn't rust out. You can buy chain. I looked on like eBay and Amazon first. There's a lot of nicer ones like copper and, you know, different designs. I don't know, they had little bells and buckets and different things like that, but I think it was like $150 for maybe like a 10-foot piece. But this, you know, 75 feet, and I just ran multiple chains at once. So I already did it, but super easy to explain. So you know, just remove your downspout. It's already done. So then, like I said, I ran 3 chains. So once you figure out the length, you know, let's just imagine I ran this, you know, so you have your three chains basically, and I just looped it. I just came, you know, down the downspout, back up, and then down again. I didn't use this carriage bolt, I used galvanized, but this is all I had just to give you an idea. But so I just put a carriage bolt like this with nuts and washers, you know, whatever, put that on. So then this sits up in the actual gutter up there, and that's what keeps it, you know, in hanging. There's different ideas you could do. You can use a little rod with a bend in it, or buy one, or whatever. I mean, that's just what I had on me. So I did that, and then on the bottom I did the exact same thing, just to give an anchoring point. So what you're going to want to do is, since a lot of water does flow down this, on the bottom you're going to want to put some kind of drainage. A lot of people do these buckets, or you could do rocks. I mean, this is just a cheap planter, and I just drilled holes in the bottom of it and filled it with stone, and it drains down into, you know, the rock bed down there. I mean, the way I looked at it, a lot of water does come down it, but that's how much is going to come down the downspout anyway. So, but yeah, and then it runs right down into the bucket. I just put the hose up here for now, just to kind of show you. Let me turn the hose on. So it just comes out like normal, and then runs down the chain. And I have the hose on kind of high. It's not going to rain this much, but it goes runs right down the chain into the bucket. That's pretty much it. It's probably flooding a little bit now, yeah, but that is my rain chain. So hopefully this video helps. Super basic. I think it cost me total, I mean, the chain was like 80 bucks for 75 feet, or like I said, you can buy a 10-foot piece just for one downspout. It was like $150, so it's kind of the route I went. And then a couple miscellaneous bolts and, you know, the pot and stone. I think I spent like $100 roughly. So that's it. All right, have a good day.